Hello, welcome to Crafting with Pui Designs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a cardstock keychain. It's a cute project to do with your kids, with your family. And I love it. I'm going to show you how to create this today with 65-pound cardstock. And how to go about it and how to seal it and everything. Let's get into it. So here I am in Silhouette Studio. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change my media. Go to page setup right here in the corner and go to media. That's my paper. I'm going to put it on 8.5 by 11 right here, and I'm going to put it in um, landscape orientation. Okay. I will write my word down. Go to a text editor. In this case, I'll write my name. Because I'm using the Crinkies font, I'm going to put a swoosh around it like that you use that with a letter. Okay. This font is different. I will select it and go to here and I will choose the font Crinkies. You see the swoosh? That's the number 8. Okay, let me fill it in really quick with black. And then I'll make it bigger for now. Let's do it with gray. You see they are loose. I'm going to ungroup it first. Ungroup. And then I'm going to bring this S up here. And then I'm going to, let me see. Select all these and bring them over here. Okay. So that they can meet. And then I'm going to select everything. And then I'll weld it. Weld. And this is left. Select everything again and make it compound. This is the other way of creating an SVG file in Silhouette Studio. You can use this technique also. Okay, now I will go to the offset panel right here and I will place an offset around it. Okay. I want this one, the corner, the pointy corner, sharp corner. Okay, I have this. Let's say I apply it. No, I will increase it. Okay. When I increase it, all the small holes are disappearing, and that's what I want. I'll go to apply it, and I'll fill it in to see what I have. Okay, I still see this hole right here. And look what I'm gonna do. Make a circle and I'll fill it in with, let's see, yellow. And I'll bring it over here. And I'll close it like so. I'll keep it selected. I'll keep the red selected too. And then I'll weld it. Just like you're welding something. Okay, and then the red came to the front. I'm gonna send the red to the back. I still have a hole here. I'm going to select a circle here, color it to see how big it is. Okay, this is also another way how to close holes in your image, especially your SVG. And then I'm going to weld it. If the red came to the front, I'll send the red to the back again. And to check if there are still holes there, I will go here. You see, if you have the points in here, that means there's a hole somewhere here. It's gonna cut. If there's nothing there, everything is okay. Okay. I think I'm happy with what I have. So I'm going to the name here. I'm going to color it. I'm going to make it nice. I'll go to 1, 2, 3, this right here. I'll select it and I'll go to the gradient. And then I'll choose You can choose one of these. You can choose this. You see that? You can choose whatever, whichever you want. But I have some that I created myself, so I'm going to choose them. I'll choose this one. Let's see, this one is nice too. I'll choose this one for now. Okay, this is the color. Okay, for the keychain, like the hole, I will go here and choose this one right here. I'll make it, convert it to pad. It shouldn't be too big or too small. Let's see. And then let me color it so that you can see it. Let me make it yellow. Okay, and then we're going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and then I'm gonna place it here. In this case, I'm going to weld it together with the red because the red is the background. Okay, I'll select it, I'll hold shift, and I'll select the red. Make sure you ungroup this so that you can select only the red. These two. Right click and weld them. The red is in the front, we send it to the back. Okay, I think we're good. So I'm going to select everything and make it smaller. Let's say 2-inch. I think this is good. This size is good. Okay, and I'm gonna make the white part, the red part, I'm gonna make it white. Okay, we're gonna leave it just like this. And then I'm going to select it and group it. Okay, now we're going to duplicate it and bring it here. And ungroup it again. We're going to remove the colored part. And this is what we're going to have left. Okay, now you go to page again. You go to registration marks and click on, turn them on. Let's go to the back. I will check my print border. I'm printing with a HP printer, so the print border is different. If you're printing with an Epson, everything will be fine and smooth. But with this one, it's a little different. So I'm going to show my print border. And you see my print border is different on this side. Okay, very different. So let's go to registration marks again. My registration mark is on default. When you're printing something, you want to use the most of the paper. You want to use the most of the print area, the cut area. You can decrease the inset. Okay, in this case, if I decrease my inset, you see here will not be printed, and then my machine won't cut it. So I'm going to increase it again so that it can be within the cut border. Okay, you see your registration mark should always be in the cut border, within the cut border. Okay, so I'm gonna place this here, and then I'm gonna make many copies of this because this is what we're going to glue upon each other to make the keychain. I'm going to make a lot of copies. I want to do it fast, so look what I'm going to do. Put this over here, and then I will select this, go to replicate, and I will select this one, fill page. Okay, and then I'll move them up, and I'll place this one. This one should have a place to stay too, and I'll place this one here. Okay, so I have a few here. So this is what we're going to cut. Let's go. We're going to print it first. File, print. So you see, when you print, you will only see this because this is what the printer sees. It doesn't see the cut lines. See, my registration marks are good. Okay, this is what I'm going to print. Okay, and then we're going to send. So this all here is what we're going to cut. Make sure you select everything, okay, and it will show you what to cut it. And then you select this one here. Okay, for my cardstock, I have it on cardstock heavy. My blade depth is 8, force is 33, speed is 1, pass is 1. Okay, this is what I'm going to cut with. Okay, and I'm using the 65-pound cardstock. Okay, let's go cut this and let's go tape it together. Okay, here you see I'm cutting out the designs with my cameo. And now I'm going to take it out and rip it out of the cardstock, all the pieces. Make sure that you know all the small pieces you cut, that you take them out, like you weed it really well so that you don't glue it on the keychain you're making. So I'm assembling all of them and fitting them. This is how it's gonna be. Yeah, it's a nice chunk, nice bundle. It will look good. And this one, clean it also, and then put them together. And this is what we're going to tape upon each other. Let's go to the taping. It will be cute. It will be cute. Here are my cutouts. Everything is cleaned up. I will use Elmer glue to glue them upon each other. I will put the one with the name and one spare one aside for later. So I will start applying the glue on them one by one. One by one, you see that? And then I will have something that will clean my hands in the meantime. Glue them upon each other one by one, and in between you fix it, like you align them really well. When they align it really well, that will be very nice. You will love it. It will be clean. Everything will be upon each other. Applying the glue, aligning, applying the glue, and aligning. And before you know, you are done. I love making these. These are projects that you can do with your children. Like cut them out and then put them to glue them upon each other and aligning them, and they can have their own with their own names. I, like I showed you, I'm using cardstock, 65-pound. You can get it from Walmart or you can get it from Amazon too. It's a very easy project. Look, it's coming along. We are getting there. Oh yes. And this is for the last one for the back. Okay. This is for the last one. Place it over there. Align it. Okay. Now we're going to do the one for the front. Apply the glue. This is a very fun project. It's very fun and easy. You can make many of these in a day. And I'll use another piece of paper to smear the glue on it. Okay, and now we're going to apply the last part. Okay, on top of it, right there. Align it, and before you know you're done. Align it really well. I love it. Came out really well. And now I'm gonna show you how to seal it with another glue. I know you have that glue in your home. I'll show it to you. Let's go. Okay, here I am. I'm using polyacrylic to seal it, and I'm going to seal only the brim of it, the side and the back. I'm not going to touch the where the name is, the color is and stuff. I'm not going, because the polyacrylic will make it fade a little bit, and I don't want that. So I'm going to put a little bit on the plate right there, and I'm going to use the Q-tips to apply the polyacrylic around the side of the keychain and also for the back. So I'll use that to apply it. And also for the back, use it all around it. Make sure your hand is dry. Make sure there's no polyacrylic on your hands. And like I said, I put for the front, for the side and the back, but not for the front. So this is what I'm going to put outside to dry. I will let it dry. And then we will see the end result. Let's go. Okay, here is my result. It came out cute. I need to clean up this part. Yeah, but it's hard. It's thick. Came out cute, and I'm going to put it on my keychain. Be careful over there. Right here, look how nice it is. And when you make it, make sure that you don't make it wet. Would be good if it's dry. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you're going to try it. It's a really fun project, and have fun when you're creating it. Thank you.